So the second question asks for the incorrect number in the sequence. Now, as you can already see that the sequence becomes very large very quickly. So likely you are multiplying numbers. And from the first two terms, you have 12 and 144, which seems to imply this is 12 to the 1, this is 12 squared. And then you have 17728, which is 12 cubed, as a matter of fact, or close to 12 cubed. So you might already see the pattern. Okay, it might be powers of 12. So it's 2, 4, 8, 8, 3, 2, 4, 2, 9, 9, 8, 1, 6, 9, 6. Now the issue here is we want the incorrect number, which means we want the number which isn't a power of 12. And if you don't have a calculator, it's very hard to deal with these words. So what you do is you use the divisibility rules. If you don't know them, the divisibility rule of 12 is any number which is divisible by 3 and 4 will be divisible by 12. The proof is very simple, and you can use the fact that 3 and 4 are coprimes to prove this. But you can just prove, or rather find out if this number is divisible by 3, 4, this number is divisible by 3, 4, this number is divisible by 3, 4. Now, again, you need to know the divisibility rule of 3 and of 4. So if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. The last two digits being for the first. So here you can already see 12 we already know is divisible, 44 is divisible, 28 is divisible, 32 is divisible, and 96 is also divisible. So we already figured out that all of them are divisible by 4. Yeah. Now, question for divisibility rule of 3 is that sum of the digits has to be divisible by 3. Now this part, we have to work on it. So the first one is 12. We already know 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 144. So this one is 9. 9 is again divisible by 3. 1, 7, 7, 2, 8. So this one is 15 to 17, 25. So we already see that this one is not divisible by 3. 2, 4, 8, 8, 3, 2. We can just verify the rest. You have 5, 13, 21, 25, 27. So this will be divisible by 3. And then the long number is 4, 2, 9, 8, 1, 6, 9, 6. So you have 15, 21, 22, 30, 39, 48, 50, 54. 54 is divisible by 3. So now you know that this number, this number, this number, and this number will all be divisible by 12. So the wrong number is 1728. This would be your answer. And this is what you would do if, like in my case, where you just don't have a calculator on you. Otherwise, you could just put 12 cubed and see that it doesn't match.